We're Covanta, a leader in providing sustainable waste and energy solutions to municipalities and businesses around the world. In partnership with Dublin City Council, acting on behalf of the 4 Dublin local authorities, Covanta operates the Dublin Waste-to-Energy facility located on the Poolbeg Peninsula in Dublin Port. The facility opened in 2017 to process up to 600,000 tonnes of the region's waste each year that cannot be reused or recycled. Curious about the process? Take a look inside at our state-of-the-art operations. Once waste trucks arrive, they are weighed and checked in before heading inside to the tipping hall. Residual household and commercial waste is unloaded onto the tipping floor and visually inspected for any unacceptable items, which are removed for separate recycling or proper disposal. Waste is then pushed into a storage pit and thoroughly mixed before being loaded into bins called hoppers, where it travels to the combustion chamber. The tipping and waste storage areas are maintained under negative air pressure so that the odours associated with waste are captured in the combustion process and destroyed. Once fed into the combustion chamber, waste is combusted in a self-sustaining process at temperatures greater than 850 degrees Celsius. A typical hopper load is completely combusted in 1 to 2 hours. As waste is burned, the heat converts water in the steel tube-lined walls into steam and rises through boiler tubes where it is superheated. The steam turns a turbine-driven generator to produce 60 megawatts of electricity and may be used for district heating. A small portion of the electricity is used to power the facility, with the remainder exported to Ireland's national grid. Steam from the process is cooled, condensed back into water and returned to the boiler tubes, making it an efficient closed-loop system. After combustion, the volume of waste is reduced by 90%, leaving a non-hazardous ash and metal. Bottom ash is sent off-site where metal is recovered for recycling and the ash is put to beneficial reuse. Fly ash collected in the air pollution control equipment is put into silos and removed from the site in sealed containers by a licensed contractor. State-of-the-art air pollution control equipment ensures that emissions are well below limits to be fully protective of human health and the environment. We neutralise acid gases using lime in a semi-dry scrubber reactor and inject activated carbon for heavy metal control. We control emissions of particulate matter primarily through a bag house, which employs thousands of fabric filter bags. All flue gas must pass through the bags before continuing on for final treatment. Before flue gas finally exits through the stack, we use water in a wet scrubber to reduce temperature and remove hydrogen chloride, in addition to using a sodium hydroxide solution to remove sulfur dioxide. Throughout this process, the control room closely monitors emissions through a real-time continuous emission monitoring system and controls a number of other automated systems inside the facility. The Dublin Waste-to-Energy facility recovers valuable energy from residual waste that cannot be reused or recycled and has enabled the region to be self-sufficient in managing its waste. Instead of exporting waste to mainland Europe or landfilling in someone else's backyard, the Dublin facility safely converts the region's non-recyclable waste into approximately 60 megawatts of electricity, enough to keep the power running in 80,000 homes. Covanta is committed to providing sustainable waste and energy solutions to ensure no waste is ever wasted. This is how we are powering today and protecting tomorrow.